All right, y'all. It's 6:15. We're gonna get started. So welcome to the Hack Challenge finale. We're very excited to see you all here. So the agenda for today, we're gonna start with an introduction about us. Who are we? Then we're gonna transition about to the prizes, who are the winners, and finally we're gonna take pictures with the winners. Or if you have any questions about AppDev in general, a lot of us are on the team right here. We have our team lead. We have a lot of AppDev alum. So yeah, feel free to talk to us right after the finale. Okay, so just to get started, this is us. We are AppDev. We're an engineering project team specializing in mobile app development. So aside from making apps, we like to have fun as well. So we have cooking socials. We also go go-karting, karaoke. iOS has a dumpling making social tradition. We play Minecraft from time to time. And we also go picnics. So, you know, we are serious when it comes to work, but then we also try to make time to have fun as well. But aside from that, you probably know us from the apps that we create or we provide for the community. We have Eatery, Scoop, Volume, Uplift, Ithaca Transit, Course Grab, and Resale. So hopefully these apps kind of gave y'all an inspiration into starting app development. And so if you're here today, then most likely you are in one of our 4 courses. We teach design, iOS, Android, and Backend. So with that being said, the hackathon for this semester, there were a total of 30 teams and 145 participants. This semester turned out to have an even number of, as well as backend members, much better than it was in previous semesters, and we also had more designers than we did in the past. Okay, so with that being said, y'all are here for prizes. So we're gonna get started with the best backend, and Caduce is gonna introduce that.
Hello, my name is Caduce and I'm one of the backend instructors. And so let's just get right into the honorable mention. Do we do anything with it? Like drum roll or?
Yeah, can we get a drum roll?
Yeah. So congratulations, Smart Wardrobe, for honorable mention for best backend. So Smart Wardrobe is an app that allows you to track the clothing of items you own, and you may enter the temperature of the day and receive appropriate outfit recommendation. And it says that this will greatly reduce the amount of time you spend looking through the workers for what to wear. And so they got honorable mention because they actually made an algorithm that detects the current temperature, and with the algorithm they can actually make a recommendation for the wardrobe to choose. So congratulations. And now for best backend, incoming. Ithaca Traveler. So they have a video. We can show that off. So this is Ithaca Traveler. They have implemented account login and registration, so they have authentication with actual profile pictures.
As we do sign up. So here's a warn like you don't select any image as your hand, so we need to choose one picture in our album. Yeah, and do sign up. Here it shows successfully create an account. And then you get into the login page and do the sign in. Yeah, here is our main view controller, and which was the map for the Ethica. We picked out 10 stations for you guys to adventure, and But before that, here was a filter bar at the top of the screen, which was all the features of these locations we want to give to you guys.
Yeah, we can choose waterfall and park and something else, and then we can get filtered by those features. And then when we click a location here, we can get into the details about the location.
Yeah. So in these locations, we got the name and descriptions. Also, we got the real-time weather for the location.
And this weather is provided by external API called Weather API. So all these Fahrenheit temperature and sunrise sunset time are accurate timing and data.
Yeah, so this app won Best Backend because they not only do they have account login and registration with a profile image, they also integrated a map kit with using Weather API, which was really, really cool. There's also a feature that allows you to kind of create posts as well as upload images to a post for every location, and we thought that was really, really cool. So yeah, that was basically it for Best Backend. So congrats to Ithaca Traveler. For the prizes, we'll wait until we announce all the winners, and then y'all can come up and pick it up. Or, do you want to bring them up now?
You do whatever you want.
Okay. We'll wait. Okay, so next up we have Best UI.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophie. I'm going to be presenting Best UI for today. So can we get a drum roll for an honorable mention? Big Red Bids. Okay, so this is an app where students can bid and sell tickets for their campus events. And it allows students to connect and transact with each other. So the main features that they have include placing bids on events, checking the status of their ongoing bids, and users can also seamlessly switch between the roles of bidder or seller. So yeah, congrats everyone. And then here's like all of the screens that they have implemented. So they have like the account again, very nice list view, is that what it's called? And then also like here's where you can see like the details of the ticket that they're stuffing. So very cool. Congrats everyone. Oh, and then can we get a drum roll going for the Best UI winner? Latte Link. Congrats. This was a really cool app. So it's one that allows you to connect with like coffee chatters and arrange coffee chats across like a bunch of different campus organizations. So let's take a look at their interface. Oh, just kidding. Oh, it's right there. We're gonna play the video.
Hi everyone, welcome to Latte Link. This is our project for the Hack Challenge of Fall 2023 with AppDev.
AppDev.
I don't know why it keeps doing that. There you go.
Creating an account.
Depending on whoever's using it. But in this case, we're going to select ourselves. After this, we can customize the profile by selecting an image. In this case, we're going to use like generic pictures for profile picture and background image, and then enter the full name, which is again going to be Alex Chance. The graduation year is going to be the class of 2026. And in major, we're going to do studying information science. For the brief bio, users have the ability to write something a little bit.
Technical difficulties. Yeah, so users can write a bio, and then you can see they have like all their information in there.
Perfect. Yeah.
Location preferences.
Okay, can you do a voiceover?
Yeah, so you can put in like your schedule and then also like where you prefer to meet, contact information. Just really streamlines the whole process of getting to know people across a bunch of different organizations. And yeah, a cool example. of seeing all of your requests received and sent. Aww. Congrats guys, this was a really cool app and we love seeing your video.
Alright, so now we have most creative. Can we get a drum roll? So for honorable mention, we have Cornell Vending. Their app idea was very, very creative. It was basically an app that had a convenient and easy way to locate vending machines around campus, and it allows you to track and purchase items from wherever you are. And I really like this idea because it's just a very unique thing that I've seen, or we haven't seen before in the past. We also enjoyed their video as well, so let me show that to y'all. Okay, hopefully the audio works. Oh shit. Y'all didn't hear that.
Across campus. However, there are sometimes vending machines. What to buy? Our main page lists all the vending machines, and you can click to view all the items inside. On the item page, you can purchase the item by clicking the buy button. We also included the profile page where you can view your past transactions, your current balance, and the ability to add funds. Our team consists of 4 members, Joshua and Justin working on the backend.
So yeah, really cool app idea. We really enjoyed the animation that was put into the slides or the video. So yeah, that's the honorable mention for most creative. And now, can we get a drum roll for the winner? We have Shelter Swipe. So this was a really, really unique idea. It was basically an application that allows you to kind of swipe through pets in shelter. So it's kind of like Tinder, but for pets. So it was really, really cool and cute and wholesome idea. Yeah, we also didn't see a swipe gesture in a hack challenge before, so this was actually really, really cool. And then the animation whenever you're swiping is actually really clean. So we're gonna show the video.
Our app for the hack challenge is called Shelter Swipe. It's like Tinder, but for pets, helping to pair aspiring pet owners to shelter animals. The idea for this app came out of our desire to create a solution that can help adoptable animals move out of shelters and find a loving home. The search for pet adoption can be daunting and time-consuming, which is why we wanted to incorporate Tinder's signature swipe feature into an app that can allow users to quickly discover new pets.
To the login and sign up views, where you can choose to log in or sign up depending on whether you already have an account. If you click in login with Google, you can choose a Google email or your Cornell email to log in. And then it brings you to home, where you can switch between home, saved, and profile view.
Currently, there is nothing in the save view since we haven't linked any animals yet. But if we go back to the home view, you can see the animal card as well as the description. And you can swipe right on animals that you like or left if you're not interested. Okay, so now if you switch to the save view, you can see all the animals that you swiped right on.
Yeah, so that was basically it for Shelter Swipe. Congrats to them. It was a very creative idea. So now we're going to transition into the best overall app that we saw. There isn't an honorable mention, so this will be the number 1 pick. Can we get a drum roll, please? And the winner goes to True Scoop. This was a very sick app. It was basically an AI news platform that determined the political meaning of a news article based on AI and user ratings. And so there was a summary. I'll just show the video. They can explain it better than me. Oh, shit.
Hello guys, our app is Scoop, and it is a AI news platform that basically you can see the political leaning of different news articles based on our AI model and also users.
Yeah, so just gonna go through the basic features of the app. So you can see here that we have a lot of different articles displayed. You can see the source of the article, title, and a brief summary. And you can click on that to get more information. So we have our true rating, patent pending. No, just kidding. But this is what our AI model says the rating of the article is. We have a user rating, which is how the users kind of judge the article. And we have a summary, which is actually generated from our AI.
Okay, that was generated by AI. And then you can pick your own user rating, so whether or not it's liberal or conservative. So the true rating is AI generated, whereas the user rating,
Yeah, so you can share this article or you can read it right in the app. And we also have a section called Related Scoops, which is basically just articles that are related to this article that you're currently viewing. So if you click on that one, you can see it opens up a new one. And as you can see, we already rated this one, and right in the app itself.
So yeah, you can read the article right within the app.
After that, we have some pretty cool features as well for searching and finding the article you're interested in. We have this filtering where you can filter by the political ideology. We also have search. So let's say I want to look up this article, Iowa. Right there, it shows up. Boom. And then Peter will walk through one of the coolest features, which is this add button here.
Yeah, so one of our coolest features is that if we do not have an article that you would want to look up and see what our model has to say about its political leaning, or see what other users have to say, you can go ahead and click this add button right here.
Why don't you copy the URL from one of them quickly?
Yeah, sure. So as an example, I'm going to copy the URL from this article right here. And I'm going to attempt to add this article that is already in our database. So if you attempt to add a new article that's already in our database, it will say that the article was already there. And you can open it, or you can choose no thanks. I'm going to open it, and it'll bring you straight to the article that you just tried to add. Now, let's say that you have a new article.
Should we go grab one real quick?
Grab one.
Yeah, so they wanted to fetch a random article from the internet, and they paste it here.
And it's already been added, so you can go back to,
see what's going on with it.
Yeah, and it will also be added back into the home page where it's at the very top of the list. So anyone else using the app will see the article that you added.
Yeah, so that was TrueScoop. They had a very cool idea. The summary was generated with AI using NLP. This UI was very simple and slick. And you can read articles within the app as well. You can give user ratings, and then the ratings were also AI generated. And you can also share their articles. So overall, they added a lot of cool features. So congrats to them. Alright, so that's it for the finale. I just want to say congratulations to every one of y'all. We know that y'all put in a lot of work for the Hack Challenge. So, we all are very grateful to have y'all as our students. And it was very nice to see y'all do amazing work. So thank you. If you want an award, please come up and we can give y'all the prizes as well as taking pictures. If you are interested in learning about AppDev and would like to speak with one of us, feel free to come up. All right.